Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see the topic called build a virtual assistant for Wikipedia using Wolfram, Alpha and Python. So it's the easiest application you can do with the help of Wolfram because one of the best API where is provide the where which can compute expert level answers using Wolfram's algorithm, knowledge base and AI technology. So if you want to implement this one, we need support of PyCharm also. Let's say exactly exam. Suppose I'm creating a virtual simple assistant this in Python, which can answer the simple questions like the ones like what is the capital of India and what is sign value and so on. So if you want to do this one, the steps are very simple and easy. Getting API, go to this website Wolfram Alpha, then create an account with a free of cost, then get the API ID. After get the API ID, you can sign in and get the again check the give the name of the application anything, and you can get the screenshots like this. After getting this, you can copy the ID and keep copy and paste and at last insert in the Python code here. So after finishing the procedure, you can run in the command where if you want you can use the pipe install Wolfram Alpha, then we can at last implement in the PyCharm here. So you can copy paste in this here, just to copy the API ID and go. So I switch on the other screen where you can see the browser here. So I'm giving stop screen, stop share, and choose on the another screen. So here browser, I have already created account. So here already have a account created here. So if you want go and check, you can go sign in. Just I'm showing for you. Already create account means you can go sign in or else create the new account. So after signing, you can go over ID, password. Here you can give a mail ID and then you can type the password. So in the PyCharm, I already created the name called project one. So it just show the demonstration here. Already password type it here. First of all, you have to install the PyCharm. After installed successfully the PyCharm only, that is a PyCharm community one IDE. Then here only you have a get an app ID is there. Just check it out display here. So this area showing the my apps here. Then get an app ID. Just wait for a few seconds. The implementation of virtual assistant is very easy when you come to the Wolfram Alpha. Just I'm pressing get an API ID. So I'm just giving some name. ADS like that. Just I'm typing something. Based on application you can get. Just get API ID. So is the API ID we are showing here. But I'm not copy paste because already I have inserted here. So just you can click and give OK and switch on the another screen. So I'm stop sharing here and come back to the mode of PyCharm to execute the application. So like this is there. So here, so already you know the simple PyCharm coding. So we're here going to give the input as a app ID. So app ID I already pasted here. So just I'm going to paste, then I'm going to implement the coding, execute the coding here. So I'm just here, got it. So just you can give right click or right click run, or here I can give it run. So we are going to successfully execute the program here. So implement. So the is asking question. Just I'm going to type what is. I'm going to typing. What is the date? What is the date today? It's a date today. It display date today now. Turnover means yeah, it displays successfully today date. And once again you want to query and answer it, get the answer. You can again run and ask the question. Just asking the question. Which is the capital of India. Should we make it answer now? Yeah, it display immediately Delhi, India. So like that, you can implement the Wikipedia visualization of easily with the help of Python PyCharm here. Thank you for watching the video. If you have queries or suggestions, please kindly comment with the social media. Thank you.